I have a pretty harsh way of motivating myself. For example, I built a board that represents how much of my life I have left. Every month that passes, I drill out one of the LEDs for that. Another thing I wanted to take on and teach myself a lesson about in my own way was smoking. I was a smoker for years, and also I was a fat for years too. When I finally managed to lose weight over the last couple of years, I was almost certain that it's time for quit smoking too. Of course, it wasn't a straight path. I quit and went back to it more times than I can count. But now I haven't smoked for about 4 months. And that's not a lot of months. You have probably seen those in case of emergency display boxes before. Well, there is a version of them where people put cigarettes inside, and I thought, this could be the perfect thing to build and put right in front of me. Something that's constantly there, something that's absolutely tempting. In fact, for someone who's trying to quit smoking, it might be the worst possible thing to have hanging on the wall. When I had this idea, I thought it's cool, fun, but a real hard way or my way of toughening up. You know what I mean, right?